Pick out. To select or choose something or someone from a group. He was picked out as the best employee of the year. She picked out a red dress for the party. Pick out. To recognize, find or identify someone or something in a group of people or things. Can you pick him out in this photo? She quickly picked out her brother in the crowd. Pick off. To remove something from something such as a tree, a plant, etc. He carefully picked off the ripest apples from the tree. She picked off the berries from the bush to make jam. Pick up. To lift something or someone up. He bent down to pick up the heavy box. Can you pick up that pencil from the floor? Pick yourself up. To stand up from the ground after you have fallen. After falling down, I picked myself up and ran again. She tripped but picked herself up without crying. Pick up. To get better, stronger, etc., to improve. His health started to pick up once he changed his diet. My energy levels picked up after a good night's sleep. Pick someone up. To make someone feel better, improve someone's mood or energy. A warm cup of tea can often help to pick you up. Chocolate always picks me up when I'm tired.